location this week is Charlton, Kingston. I'm your host, Michaela Leeanna, and this week it's all about entertainment and lifestyle right here in Jamaica and the Caribbean. Stay tuned because Pree Dis starts right now. Digicel and Appleton are on a mission to spread Carnival across the island. Trelawny was their destination last week and we were there to catch the highlights.
I come to wine and jam and I sure to catch it more than you. Cause when I'm fetting off course, I just do it like a boss. I'm fetting morning and evening. This is my home and not leaving. I can't get over this feeling, I just want to pay myself, people let me pay a mass. I just want to wine on something, I can't let no bumper pass. Be pride in
You want to win this, right? You want all of this, right? All of this you want. You have a choice. Listen to me now. Either you keep on your shoes or you take off your shoes. The person who scrape off the back of the thing and reveal all of the numbers first with one of your toenail or all of your toenail or your heel mark if it's crusty, you're going to win all of the credit here.
Move it to the left, move it to the right, move it to the right, move it to the left, move it to the left, move it to the right, move it to the left. Up, skill, up, we up, skill, up, we up, skill. And if you're not to go down, see you in the hand up again. Pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up.
Carnival? Yeah man, like the vibes, you know? For real. What do you think about Carnival coming to Trelawny?
Well, it's good. I mean...
So far the vibes nice. I like what them do, you see me?
Very good for Trelawny. We have never experienced this before, so it's a good opportunity for us.
I think it's a great thing for Falmouth because sometimes Falmouth is so boring because of its historical buildings and the culture that is as. I think it's a great thing for Falmouth because we look forward for entertainment at Montego Bay. To have this in Falmouth, it's a great thing.
As you know, Carnival is central to Kingston. So what Digicel and Appleton decided to do was to take the Grand Carnival experience to the entire Jamaica. So we selected 8 parishes, and as you know, the movement started about 2 weeks ago. Right now we're in Falmouth, so you know we're going around just to bring the experience and to bring the excitement across Jamaica. As you can see in the background, it's phenomenal. Persons are extremely receptive of it, more than we actually anticipated. They're loving it. We are enjoying the fact that they're enjoying the experience, and we're looking forward to even bigger and better things as partners. We do a lot of activities in terms of trivia given away, but for the most part, it's a party. So each week we bring a different theme. So as you know, today will be a fun party. So we'll have a fun party this week. I mean, last week we did a powder series. Some different carnival elements actually bring it alive. So, you know, giveaways, the dancing, the music, masks, stuff like that.
No great party can happen without the spectacular activities of Appleton Special. We're always coming with something great, wanting to stay connected to the people, and we're definitely excited by the turnout so far. This is our 3rd stop. We're here tonight in Falmouth, and it is just an electrifying experience that we're we're having tonight. We have a great partnership with Digicel, and we're bringing to the people across Jamaica this fantastic carnival experience. We have some great Appleton special deals on sale for our shared reference, of course, and we also have some great giveaways courtesy of Digicel. So it's just a match made in heaven, a fantastic partnership for the carnival season. So definitely we encourage people to come out as we make stops across the island. Appleton has always played a major role in the carnival season, from as far back as Byron Lee days now with the Bacchanal family, as well here what we're doing in the communities with the people.
After all that partying from Carnival Pon Di Road, let's check out health benefits of drinking Tru Juice and check out their cool new packaging.
This healthy living tip is brought to you by Tru Juice, premium quality juices naturally. Back in the old days, vitamin C was used to treat a lot of skin-related problems. Today, though, vitamin C is used in a lot of moisturizers, face packs and masks for rendering natural glow to the skin. Vitamin C is helpful in reducing wrinkles and preventing sagging skin by improving the elasticity of it. It also helps to protect the skin from harmful UV rays of the sun. Don't forget to stock up on your Tru Juice premium quality juices, which is packed with lots of vitamin C.
Our video premiere and Talent on the Rise segment will be coming up right after this short break. We'll be right back.